But if we wanted to place a closing order on our options position, again, we're in our positions tab here. I got a couple columns set up here for P&L open or P&L open percent. We're checking out our profit and loss. We're like, okay, cool. I want to go ahead and set a take profit or stop loss or something along those lines. Well, all we got to do is tap on both of our legs or on the symbol as well, and that should select them all. And then tap and hold over what you've just selected, and then you'll get this quick action menu. So a couple different options. We can do our classic close position. There's a close at profit percent, which is kind of just that top side of the bracket order. We have a quick roll function. So for rolling your trades, either for a expiration or for a strike price. So we tapped on quick roll here. That's actually showing us rolling our expiration there to March 15th. Clear that out just for right now. But we showed it earlier. But again, if you wanted to, what's really nice is this, you can go again, bracket order, and you can place bracket orders on option spreads as well. So if you wanted to set a take profit and stop loss on your options position, maybe take profit at 50%, stop loss at about maybe like 70 or something like that, and go review and send, ship that out. Now we have a bracket on our options position that we can mess around with and edit. So that is our closing positions there. If you wanted to place a closing order, same functionality with the rest of our order types as well. But another feature I really wanted to show off here that's available on our other platforms is our order chains feature. That's all built into the iPad platform here. So if you're a trader that likes to roll your positions, or you're just looking to check back and see, hey, what was the market conditions when I opened up this trade? What was happening when I got into this position? Maybe it happened, you opened it up a while ago, or you're trading some leaps. You're not exactly sure why you got into it in the first place. Happens to me sometimes. But if you wanted to do that, all you got to do is find a position that you currently have an options position on, or you could do it stock too, if you've had previous options trades on. And then this very bottom option here. So we selected our legs here. So tapped on this and this, select our options legs. And then we are going to tap on show order chains. And now we have our order chains feature here for TSM, which is nice. We can go back 180 days maybe. So you can actually filter this back a certain amount of days. But in terms of what we're viewing here, we can actually see our open position here. We can see our profit on the position, our trade price where we entered in at, and then also any changes that we wanted to make to this trade. So we have a couple of other trades that happen, but just for example purposes, and this example is a day trade. So inherently, please understand the risks of placing day trades might not be suitable for you. But if we wanted to track some rolling not futures trades, but rolling equities trades, you see here, this is a past trade we can check out. We had a vertical call spread. We opened it. We rolled it to the March 15th expiration. And then we rolled one of the March 15th, what was it? The 15 strike call. We actually rolled that to the 120 strike. And then we went ahead and closed the position entirely afterwards. And that was a net loss on all those trades of $6. Now, that's cool. You saw like all the different kind of rolls and where those prices are coming in and where that net profit is over the course of your trade. But if you tap and hold your finger on anywhere over these order chains or that chunk of order chain for these trades and go view market snapshot, this is where we're going to be able to see a chart of each different event. So we had that opening trade. We had the rolls to a different expiration. We had the roll to a different strike. And then we have our closing order here. And now we're just simply viewing TSM and we're viewing the underlying last price. So that's where, on our y-axis here, we have the price for TSM, and then we have the dates and timestamps. So this all happened over the course of about 18 minutes. You're probably not doing that many different roles and changes over 20 minutes. But you can go in here and check out and see, hey, where was it was okay. When we opened up the position, TSM was trading about at $105. When we rolled it to different expiration, it was 105 and 1 cent. Trade down to 104.93. Roll it again. You can go through and check all these. You can even see based on IV rank, IV index, delta, theta. So you can see as you're adjusting your trades, oh, did I roll my position now? My delta went down a little bit, a little less long exposure, short exposure, stuff like that.